In this video we've got the answers to tell you how to increase view duration. So go to content, then you go to either shorts or videos, then you tap on visibility, then you go to public and you apply, then you click on the analytics, the video that you've selected, and then you play the video and you can see where the drop off is on the video. You've got to make a decision what you do in that part of the video. Your video might not captivate the user. They might be watching a help video and you may have given the answer to their question part of the way in the video. Have you given the viewer a hook to make the viewer watch more in the video? All these are decisions you've got to make.